Very good morning, children. This is Shibal sir speaking. Children, we have done till question number 5 from this running exercise, and in the live classes, I had explained about question number 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, without wasting time, I want you to give a fresh start of these questions, which are really very important. So, let us go for question number 6. Is check whether the given fractions are equivalent fractions or not. Okay, all right. Two fractions are there, 5 by 9 and 30 by 54. Children, there is no rocket science in these questions. It's really very simple to understand, a very simple process to solve these things. So I'm gonna mark it as left hand side, and this one would be considered as right hand side. Okay, fine. Children, 5 by 9, can we reduce this number? Of course not. 5 and 9 cannot be reduced, so it will be left as it is. It will be left as it is, 5 by 9 only. The next fraction is about 30 by 54. Okay, can we reduce it? Yes, we can. We can reduce it by 2 by 6. So I'm preferring to take 6. 5 6 are 30, 6 9s are 54. So finally I'm getting 5 by 4, 5 by 9. So children, if you look at a right hand side and left hand side, we can surely say that we got a same values, that is 5 by 9 in both the sides. Okay, that means they are same, means they are equivalent. Yes, they are equivalent fractions. They are equivalent fractions. Let us talk about question number B. I hope if we can solve this question, all the sums of question number 6 will be easily understandable. So question number B is about, in the left hand side we are having 3 by 10. That's okay, all right. And in the right hand side we have got a number that is 12 by 50. Okay children, fine, no issues. 3 and 10, this number, or this in this fraction, the numerator is 3 and denominator is 10. So children, it's quite understandable, quite simple to say that 3 and 10 cannot be reduced, so it will be left as it is. So 3 by 10 will be kept as it was given in the fraction. It will be left like this only. Okay, next fraction is about, in the right hand side was 12 by 50. So we can reduce it by 2. 6 2s are 12, 25 2s are 50. Again they can be reduced, 3 2s are 6. We have got 12 by 50. So 3, 6 2s are 12, 25 2s are 50. All right. So children, I got 6 by 25, and we know that 6 and 25 cannot be reduced. Okay, so it will be left as it is, 6 by 25. So children, look very closely to the left hand side and the right hand side. They are having different values, so they cannot be equal. They are unequal fractions. Yeah, okay, all right. So children, this question number 6 is pretty similar to the previous questions we have done in the live classes. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to the simplest form. Children, again the same easy things are given to solve. 48 by 60 is can be reduced with simpler numbers, with 2, then 6. I prefer to divide or to reduce them by 12. 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60. So finally I have got 4 by 5, children. So 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 48 by 60, and it cannot be reduced further. Okay, so 48 by 60 will be left as 4 by 5 only. Okay, all right. Children, let us have a look. Let us have a look to the next question. The next question is question number 8. Very interesting question, children, and every year I prefer to give this question in the exam paper. Every year I prefer to give this question. I said this question in the exam paper, so please do listen for this question very carefully. Explanation for this question very carefully. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Okay, brilliant. This is for Ramesh. Acha. Then Shilu had 50 pencils. Okay, Shilu had 50 pencils, and Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay, Jamal had 80. These are the number of pencils they have bought from the market. Ramesh bought 20, Shilu bought 50, and Jamal bought 80. That's all right. Okay. 4 months later, means they have used pencils for this 4 months. Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Shilu used up 25 pencils, and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What are the fractions of their uses? Okay, all right. Children, Ramesh had used 10 pencils out of 20 pencils. Let us reduce them. It's 1 by 2. Okay. Shilu had used 25 pencils out of 50 pencils. Okay. Let us reduce them. 25 to the 50 means 1 by 2. Now children, Jamal had used 40 pencils out of 80 pencils. Let us reduce them to 1 by 2. So children, if you look very closely to these fractions of use of the pencils by these three guys, it is quite understandable that they have all used half of their number of pencils, half fraction of their number of pencils. That's all. Question was whether the fractions of the use of pencils are equal or not. Yes, they are equal. It's 1 by 2 only. This is what this sum is all about. Let me give you a little hint for question number 9. Children, very simple. Like, these things are of junior standard things. 250 by 400. The first question. We'll just reduce them and we will compare the reduced fractions with the given fractions. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is matching with number D. That's all. I reduced 250 by 400. I got 5 by 8, and that is only equal to question number D or option number D, that is 5 by 8. Matching. That's all. This way we have to match these followings. I want you to try out this question number 9 your own very nicely, and you are supposed to submit in the Google Classroom. If you face difficulties or a problem somewhere, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone.